ASUS TUF A18 review. Monster specs or just hype? Feeling chained to laggy laptops, glitchy freezes, and wasted hours staring at loading bars? That sinking frustration of tools that just can't keep up, stealing your focus, crushing your motivation, and making progress feel impossible. If you've slammed your desk wishing your laptop would finally just work, you're not alone. That tech-induced rage is more common than you think. Now picture the stress multiplying, projects piling up, bosses breathing down your neck, opportunities slipping away, and your brain melting under endless crashes. Time doesn't slow down. Burnout creeps in. Every wasted second feels like losing ground in a race you can't afford to lose. Your old setup isn't just annoying. It's sabotaging your growth, your creativity, and your sanity. Meet the ASUS TUF A18 gaming laptop, a machine engineered not just to keep up, but to obliterate limits. Packed with the AMD Ryzen 7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, it's built for instant gratification, raw speed, flawless multitasking, zero bottlenecks. The 18-inch 2.5K WQXGA display with a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate pulls you into every battle, every edit, every victory with buttery precision. Imagine loading everything, from massive AAA titles to 4K video projects, off a lightning-fast 4TB PCIe SSD in seconds. With 64GB DDR5 RAM, switching between editing, streaming, and gaming becomes effortless. One late-night creator shared how their A18 saved the day when a massive video export finished in minutes, not hours, delivering on time with zero stress. Wrapped in a rugged Jaeger Gray chassis, military-grade durability ensures it won't crack under pressure. This isn't just a laptop. It's your unfair advantage. Performance that feels unreal. That's what users, experts, and influencers keep saying about the ASUS TUF A18. One pro reviewer called it a big screen value beast, delivering RTX 50 series performance at a fraction of the cost of competing rigs. An industry analyst described it as ASUS's smartest play yet, bringing an 18-inch desktop replacement into reach for serious gamers. A tech influencer gushed, that 240 Hz 2.5K panel makes every frame feel alive. It's impossible to go back. And real users back it up. One gamer said, "This thing chews through every title on max settings. I haven't uninstalled a game since I got it." A video editor praised the 64GB RAM, noting, Premiere, After Effects, and 30 Chrome tabs, all smooth as butter. Cooling? Covered. The advanced arc flow fans and full-width heatsink keep performance high without frying your nerves. Dolby Atmos and high-res audio turn explosions into heartbeats, dialogue into whispers. And yes, it feels as tough as it looks, with the iconic TUF armor in Jaeger Gray. So what's the secret? It's not just specs, it's balance. Durability, speed, immersion, and future-proofing all fused together. That's why thousands rave about it. Ready to see what they see? Don't wait. Supplies won't last forever, and demand is already wild. This isn't just another laptop drop. It's the desktop replacement thousands are already calling their in-game machine. Secure yours today before it vanishes into backorder limbo. Why settle for lag when you can lead with speed? Don't miss your shot. Act now. Claim your ASUS TUF A18 and join the elite who've already leveled up. This is your move, your moment, your win.